Maxxum series tractors feature a standard electronic draft control system, or EDC, that uses sensors built into the three-point hitch to detect changes in the draft load of three-point mounted implements. EDC will compensate for changes in soil resistance by slightly raising and lowering the implement automatically. EDC can be easily set up and adjusted within the cab by using simple controls on the three-point hitch control pod and EDC panel found under the right-hand armrest. The main controls consist of the hitch position control knob, the adjustable stop, the draft loading wheel, the fast raise lower switch, the draft sensitivity control, the drop rate control, and the height limit control. In addition, the digital display features a hitch position indicator scale. To set up EDC for ground engaging operations like tillage, first, attach the implement to the three-point hitch, and using the position control knob, raise the implement and check for adequate clearance between the implement and the tractor. Next, set the height limit control knob to the maximum height needed when raising the implement out of the ground and adjust the drop rate knob to suit the weight of the implement. Then, set the draft sensitivity knob to the mid position. Drive the tractor to the field and lower the implement to the maximum desired working depth by rotating the position control knob counterclockwise. Then, use the draft loading wheel to set the implement working depth. Next, rotate the adjustable stop until it clicks into place and the pointer aligns with the mark on the knob. This will enable you to quickly find your position if the knob is moved for any reason. Observe the implement as it moves through the field and adjust the draft sensitivity knob to match soil conditions or until the tendency to raise and lower is satisfactory. The optimum setting will be achieved by observing the movement of the indicator lights and adjusting the sensitivity until either of the indicator lights flashes once every 2 or 3 seconds. Once the ideal working conditions have been established, there is no need to move the position control knob until your work is complete. When turning at the headlands, press the top of the raise lower switch to lift the implement to the position set by the height limit knob. When you are ready to lower the implement, press the lower part of the switch and the implement will return to the working depth you previously set with the draft loading wheel. Maxxum series tractors are loaded with innovative features to help you do more. For more information, contact your local dealer or visit caseih.com.